Hello, this is the MskMiner channel. In this video, we will discuss adding hydro models to our miner tools. We have added support for hydro models such as the S19 Hydro and the S19 Pro Hydro. The device is on factory firmware. How to update to our firmware using the tool? To do this, we need to add an IP range, scan the network, and select the necessary devices. Select the devices and click Update in the pop-up window. Leave the auto option selected and check the Keep Settings box. The update to our firmware is complete. Now we just need to wait for the miner to boot up. The miner has booted up. We move to the web interface. The firmware is installed and ready for use. Thank you for watching, and see you soon on our channel in upcoming videos. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you have any questions or suggestions, write to us on our Telegram technical support channel or in the comments below the video.